Hi, I'm Grace. Welcome to The Experiment. The Experiment is a conference on co-governance, which is co-governed. And I've been part of the DGov group, decentralized governance group, for a couple of years and active in the crypto space. And I'm becoming more and more active in a number of groups that are all talking about, oh, what is this new world order? I teach workshops about new forms of monetary or non-monetary trades, currencies, economics. And we're all kind of facing the same problem. We know that we need new models of governance. We knew that we need new models of economy, but we don't know what they're going to be. And so the experiment is an experiment in governing a commons. And the commons is a conference itself. The conference is designed to take place in November. Will it or won't it? If you join the experiment, you'll be part of the people who decide. Who's going to speak at the conference? If you join the experiment as a participant in the conference, you're also an organizer of the conference. So you get to decide, will we charge for it? How much will we charge for it? Will there be sponsors? Will part of it be virtual and part of it be physical? Would you like to have one in your location? All of the decisions and all of the work, of course, that have to be done in order to put together a conference, we're going to do together. And it's going to be an experiment in co-governance. Now, you may be familiar with some of the things that have been done in co-governance, like DAOs, which is voting on budgets, or maybe you're part of permaculture or eco-villages or other groups that have been trying to coordinate in these types of new ways. All of those, sociocracy, maybe you've tried, or holacracy, these are all different models. We are going to be combining some of these, and one of the things that we're going to be putting our emphasis on is the acculturation process. That is, with the competitive mindset that has been drilled into us for so long, we're not going to be able to collaborate very well. We have this mindset of zero-sum game, of you have to incentivize people with money, all of these types of mindsets that have been instilled in us by our society and media and continue to be instilled in us. And so we're going to be focusing a lot on mindset. What does it take to collaborate? What does it take as far as breaking down my ego and working with people who maybe I'm not familiar with their styles of working? And what does it take to have a satisfying outcome? What are some things that always happen to me in projects and I don't want that to happen again? What can I transform myself? So this process is not just going to be about putting together a conference. It's about putting together a community and having some baseline, not just a code of conduct that we write down, but regular meetings where we sit down and we say, okay, what are some communication skills we can upgrade? And so the collaboration itself is going to be dealing with the aspects of working together that many of us are familiar with, Kanban boards and stuff like that, and also things like voting, if there's issues that we have to vote on, and discussion groups, which are all built in, but also regular meetings where we get to look at and explore how to upgrade our team working skills. So it's going to be fantastically fun. Oh, where's the money coming from? Well, we're going to have to figure that out together as well. Right now, we're all volunteers, and we're people who come from like I said, permaculture and cryptocurrency and collective intelligence. And we come from a bunch of different fields, even though there are only about 20 people starting it. And you, whoever you are, bring in your communities, and we're going to see how it goes. I don't know what's going to happen. So in the links below, you'll see what you'll see is the Dandelion, which is the platform we're using. When you log on and sign up, it'll tell you that you need to go through an onboarding meeting and acculturation meeting. These are 90-minute meetings where you explore what you want to get out of your participation and where you do some exercises and you get to know some people. So you're not just joining this working group without knowing people. You'll actually have a group of people that you're joining together with. So join the Dandelion platform. We're really glad to have you. And yeah, it's going to be a fun experiment. Thanks.